I modeled the most expensive perfume bottle in the world, and it was absolute hell. But eventually I managed to get a pretty decent looking result, so I want to share 3 modeling tips that will help you make detailed looking models. This is a circular shape, but we want to add diamonds to this. Now we could place all of this by hand, but is it really the best option? No, it's better to do it like this. Go into edit mode, then take this circular edge and duplicate it. Press on P to separate the selection. Now we have this edge separated. Right mouse click and select Convert to Curve. Now go to your object and add 2 modifiers. First an array, then a curve modifier. On the curve modifier, select the object and whoa, what's happening? Well, we need to go into our object, so press N and set the position to 0. Now everything should work fine. If it doesn't though, change the axis right over here. Now increase the array and you've got models on a curve. If you want to change the orientation, go into edit mode and rotate it until it fits well. And that's how you get models on a circular array. But how do we make a lion? It seems like a complex shape, right? Well, it's actually very easy. Add a plane and model it exactly to follow the shape of the lion. Simply use extrude, rotate and scale to model the shape. Now select all, press I and inset these faces. Ctrl I to invert the selection and extrude everything outwards. Apply a subdivision surface modifier and now it looks pretty smooth. Now finally we arrive at the hardest part of making this model, and that is actually how to approach a project like this. It might seem pretty overwhelming, and trust me, it kinda is. But what I'm going to tell now will actually impact the way you think about photorealism. If there is a lot of information, people's brains can't process it and it will force it to make a holistic view of the entire render. It's basically like a brain overload, so we try to simplify things in order to make it understandable. It is due to this overload that the brain seeks to find a simplified image in order to make sense of it. Now the way to accomplish this is by using the ABC structure. It's better to cut it up in several different pieces. Instead of building all the details of the bottom part and then going to the top part, etc. It's actually way easier to increase the difficulty level through time. First you make the basic shapes. Then you add medium details to it. And finally, you add these small details. In that way we can easily make a model that's as complex looking as this, even though it is not perfect. And if you want to know how to light your scene correctly, then I highly recommend watching this video next.